Nyako Ramogi mano riwruok ma jochiw thieth bade ma Kisumu gigolo ywak ewi midhiero ma oriwo koda kadeko mar osara kuom thuolo ma dweche ariyo. Wach ma bende chal kod mano en ni jatend migawo ma thieth e pacho kaendi Barasa bende gi santiere nyim kamati mar od bura kendo gitwak e weche motenore kod chenro mag thieth e pacho ka. Wawinjane kaka chenro dhi nyime.
Bageni asked, we are paying too much than we are getting from it. We say that we must have a base where we want to pay. We say we will not come below the national health insurance premiums that are currently being paid. Where we have assessed and we need to enhance, we have done that and it is there. Benefit package, we submitted the benefit package to you, honorable members, and again you gave us approval. Honorable members, we are moving this journey. We are going to, all of us, today we are giving a progress update of where we are. We expect still a lot of support from you in terms of telling Kenyans to contribute to the social health insurance, because we also realize that all of us belong to a community. All of us come from our society and we face challenges. The big thing that we identified, which you also said it is true, is that we are going into out-of-pocket expense which is going up. Harambes is what we want to kill. We might not kill today, but in the future we shall kill the Harambes. Now let me go to Honorable Matthews. I know people, tomorrow most of them, as you said, they will be energized, they will wake up and say, let me go to Boston. What we have done is we have had engagements with the Council of Governors, we've discussed with them, we've told them to stop, and particularly level 2, level 3, which there is a primary healthcare fund. And we are saying to access the primary healthcare fund, what a member needs to do is register. Once a member is registered,
yes, as we live there, when is SHIF becoming functional?
It is functional,
but it is not.
In some counties.
It is not.
According to the report,
where I come from, it is not functional. Where I come from, yes, even the dispensary next to my home, the money they get even for deliveries goes to the county account. Even the women who are delivering there, the family have to carry food for them, because the maternity cannot even cook for those women because all money is going to county account. Food. If your relative delivers there, you have to take food to them. So until SHIF is functional, and the governors tell you the truth, until SHIF is functional, we still have a big problem.
It is functional in some counties, and some counties it is not functional.
I will report based on the meeting that we had with the governors, and they confirmed themselves that out of the 47, not about 8 counties have not implemented SHIF. Chair, the ministry has offered, and it was agreed that the ministry support those counties to operationalize the SHIF bill. Honorable Chair, will check with the county of the Vice Chair and I'll revert back to him to confirm whether it's among the 8.
Maybe the record is I am specific about it.
Thank you. I will